hiccups and homeopathic medicines. Sudden spasm of the diaphragm causing jerky breathing with sound. Sign and symptoms: repeated jerking breathing, feeling of blockage in chest or throat, worsens after eating or talking too much. Too much talking also creates the hiccup, triggered by gas, alcohol, or nervous tension. Homeopathic medicines. Number 1 is Nux vomica. Hiccup after food, gas or alcohol. Hyoscyamus, violent and continuous hiccup. Echinacea, hiccup from emotional spasm or stress. Cicuta, hiccup in children with spasms. Sulfur, chronic long-lasting hiccup. Remedy must be selected according to the patient's cause and constitution. Don't ignore persistent hiccups. Homeopathy has safe relief without any side effect. Thank you. Long live Hanuman, long live homeopathy.